Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen, I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here. It's called Audius, okay? Now, Audius is an interesting brand new platform. It's basically a music streaming service. And you can also make a little bit of money as well attached to the program. And let's talk a little bit about whether this is legitimate, whether it's worth your time. And the interesting question, of course, is how much money can you really make, okay? Now, Audius is actually a cryptocurrency project. All right, which is really interesting. And basically the way it works is you can download it for free on the App Store or Google Play, and they have basically an audio token that is linked to the platform. But this is basically a cryptocurrency project, which is very important to understand. And the way it works is you can make money in two ways. You can either be just a regular person, a regular listener like you and me. We don't produce music. You want to download this app for free and you can kind of listen to all sorts of different songs. And you can see right here, these are some of the different songs that are trending this week, this month, all time. So if we go to all time, for example, then you'll see a different list of people. So some pretty big people. Skrillex is there, but not everybody's big, and all sorts of different people can upload music onto the platform. And so you can, first of all, listen and stream music for free, which is pretty cool. And the way that it works is if you are a listener, then the way that you can make money from the platform isn't really by listening to music. So that's not how it works. So a lot of people think that it's a streaming platform. Maybe I can just listen to a lot of music and I'm going to make lots of money that way. But it doesn't really work like that. The way it works more is that they will reward you for doing certain tasks on the platform. So if you're a brand new user and you came to Audius right here and you were to start the program, you were to start listening, download, you would create an account for free. The way it works is every time you take an action, they will give you usually about one audio token, okay? So it depends on what you're doing. So if you create a free account, they will give you one audio token. If you refer 5 friends, they will give you one audio token. So there are little things that you have to do, that you have to need to complete, right? Did you listen to Audius every single day for the whole week? If so, they will give you one token, that kind of thing. So for doing specific tasks, to help grow the business or grow the platform, they will reward you usually with one audio token. All right. Now the question is how much are these audio tokens worth, right? Well, just like all cryptocurrency, Audius has their audio token that is actually in the market, right? So you can literally go and buy audio tokens, which is pretty cool. Now, the audio token fluctuates between 10 cents and the maximum at the height of their value, it was $4 for one token. Now at the time of recording this video, the markets have come down. It's pretty flat, just like Ethereum and crypto. Bitcoin in general has kind of come down. So it's worth only about 30 cents per token. So it's not that much, okay? So the way that you need to look at Audius is more of, look, if you enjoy listening to music, and you're kind of into the whole cryptocurrency thing and you believe in this platform and you want to support it, then it's a pretty cool way to support a brand new business that allows you to listen to music for free. And for doing certain things, they'll give you a little bit of their tokens. But are you going to become a millionaire overnight? Absolutely not, because it's not designed to give you free tokens as you listen to music. That's not how it works, okay? So it's not really about the more time you spend listening to music, the more money you're gonna make. It's more about, do you want to support the project? Do you like it? Do you like listening to music? And also, are you willing to do a few different tasks for you to make a few audio tokens here and there? That's kind of how it works, all right? And that's basically it. Now, if you are an artist though, then there are also ways for you to upload your music for free. And if you hit certain kind of milestones, so if you're like the top 5 of all time, a song that people listen to, then you're gonna make some audio tokens as well. So there's two sides. There's the listener side and there's the actual artist side, right? And the cool thing about Audius is you don't need to be a big pop star or DJ or band or anything like that in order for you to be listed on their platform. They kind of welcome everybody, even people that create music from scratch from home. They also reward you for that as well, okay? Now the other thing that I want to mention as well is they have different packages that you can invest in. So they've got the bronze, silver, gold, and platinum package. Bronze is $10, silver is $100, gold is $10,000, and platinum is $100,000. And for each of those packages that you invest in, you will get some additional benefits. So you get things like badges. You maybe become, you get a role in Discord to help them manage that part of their business, that community. You also get some NFT collectibles. So there are different things that you can get if you believe in this project and you want to invest your own money. And of course, because Audius is connected to a token, the bigger they grow as a company, the more the token is going to be worth. So it's kind of like an investment, So don't think of this as a, come here, listen to music, make a ton of money. That's not really how it works. This is more about, it's a brand new platform. They've got a lot of new artists on the platform. If you want to make a little bit of money with them, you'll get some tokens. And as the company grows, the more tokens you have and the higher the value, builds with the market, you might potentially have a little bit more money in the future, because again, it's a kind of a long-term investment. It's not like a short-term thing where you make $50 a day, $100 a day. That's not really how it works. Okay, so it depends on whether you're interested in a project like this. A lot of crypto projects kind of work like this, right? They're based on market value. They also reward you a couple of tokens here and there for actions that you take, but this is not really a active cash flow kind of business. So you're not going to sit here and spend 10 hours a day on Audius and make an equivalent amount of money. That's not really how it works. Okay. The other thing as well is they kind of work with some of the major wallets. So wallets like MetaMask, so you can download your audio tokens directly onto your different wallets, and then you can sell them on the market if you want, and turn that into cash. Okay, so that's kind of my review of Audius. What do I think of the program? I think it's pretty cool. I'm a very big cryptocurrency investor. I also do invest in some crypto projects. So these guys are 100% legitimate. This is more of a medium to long-term thing. If you believe in the project, I recommend that you do some research on the platform itself, read their white paper if you're interested in something like this. What it is not, though, it's not one of those things where you come on and it's going to make you lots of money every single day. This is, again, more of an investment, and if you believe in the project, you can get involved and make a little bit of tokens here and there. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this review. A pretty cool platform that you can check out. Again, it's nice that they've linked this sort of income generating part to it, but again, it's an investment. It's not really a cash active thing that you can make money from every single day. All right, but if you're here right now and you're looking for something where you can make again, big money every single day, I'd love to show you how to do that. Get to multiple six figures if you would like per year. I've got a free 6-figure workshop that you can check out. Just go ahead and click the link below. Go ahead and register for that workshop, and I'm going to show you my favorite way of generating money, proactive, active money, every single day through the power of the internet. Take care. Hope you enjoyed this review. See you on another video, and hope to see you on the workshop.